Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Windows edition supports the built-in VPN client, and make sure you have the server address, username, password, and any pre-shared key. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then VPN. Click Add a VPN connection to start, choose Windows built-in, and enter the server and authentication details. Once done, save the profile and keep credentials secure. This initial configuration sets the foundation so the connection can authenticate and route traffic correctly. Now proceed to the more detailed configuration. Choose the VPN protocol, ICAV2 for stability, L2TP/ISEC with a pre-shared key for legacy systems, or SSDP if you need HTTPS tunneling. Use OpenVPN with its client for advanced options. Edit the profile to set DNS, enable or disable split tunneling, depending on whether you want only some traffic routed, and configure proxy settings if required. Make sure Windows Firewall or third-party security prompts allow the VPN. Finally, connect and verify that traffic flows through the VPN. Open Quick Settings or Settings Network and Internet VPN, select the profile, and click Connect. Then confirm the assigned IP, DNS resolution, and that resources are reachable. If something fails, run ipconfig/all, ping the VPN server, and use Tracert to find path issues. Check Event Viewer for authentication errors. Reconfirm credentials, protocol type, and firewall or router rules. Often the problem is a mismatched protocol or blocked port, then retry the connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.